If your mascara always smudges and it clumps together all the time, you need to try these two mascaras so that that doesn't happen anymore. The first one is the Bad Gal Bang Volumizing Mascara. This is a more liquidy and runny formula with a straight wand. This just gives insane volume and length. Look at my lashes already, literally flying away into the skies. And look at my lashes, not clumping together at all. It just looks so good and natural and fluttery. On this other eye, I'm going to be using FanFast Mascara. This is Benefit's newest mascara. It has a curved bristle brush. This is perfect for like gripping your lashes and fanning them out, like spreading them out so that they're not clumped together. This won't smudge at all. I've worn this so many times. This side looks like a strip lash. So if you want that falsies look, if you want that flirty curl, definitely try FanFast Mascara. If you like volume, go ahead and try Bad Gal Bang. These won't clump, these won't smudge. Definitely recommend.